On the last trading session of a Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,763 per ounce, and on the last week, gold traded as low as $1,758 per ounce and as high as $1,831 per ounce. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Now, gold, in terms of its daily simple moving averages and from a pure technical point of view, it's in a correction. So, when an asset in a correction, you don't enter the market with a buy position or with a hope that this market is going to recover the other day. However, the RSI readings, it's bearish on the daily, weekly, and it's moderate on the monthly chart, and the supports are seen at 1750, then 1717, then 1670, and the resistance levels, it's 1770, 1778, and 1789. The weekly pivot is located at 1784. This number is highly important because if there is a relief rally, you will find resistance here and you sell here. That's all. Moving now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming weekend from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers to be released. The JOLTS jobs openings on Monday, then the core CPI on Wednesday, and the PPI on Thursday, and the imports price index, exports price index on Friday. That's all. Moving now to the trading strategy. Hi again. It's always nice to meet you on a new episode for Gold Price Weekly Forecast. Gold today. On the last trading session of Friday, gold market and the rest of the precious metals markets have suffered an extreme sell-off following the release of the NFB and unemployment figures. The numbers released were obviously above forecast, which supported the US dollar to recover. And as I said in my last video, if you ever see the US dollar above 92.50, don't approach gold. And when you see gold nearing 1789, don't buy. I know the price was low, but it's a sell area considering the news. Now moving forward, looking at the US dollar, as I said, the 92.50 is a breakout level. So dollar above 92.50 is something should make you cautious approaching anything against the US dollar, either a currency like the pound or the euro or the gold. Any relief rally at the moment, all the markets which is against the US dollar, it's now positioned in a sell position. So the relief rallies must be sold. Now, if you recall from my last video, I wasn't convinced of gold chart by itself. I was saying that gold chart itself, as you may have seen, okay, or you can see at the moment it's in front of you. There is a bear flag. There is this bullish consolidation, which usually follows the bear flag, and we have this three double tops. So basically, this is a chart of an asset that is going to decline in a horrible way. Now we do have this sizable sell-off, and we are back into the bullish pennant of the original bear flag. And this, if you will zoom out the chart, you will see a huge head and shoulder with a trigger at 1750. So if gold breaks 1750, there is another $100 to the downside, which is, I believe, it's going to take place in the coming few weeks, if not the coming week itself, considering the huge sell-off that we have already had. So in my ideas at the moment that gold could have some sort of a relief rally. Maybe the US dollar will do a retest of 92.50, which will allow gold, euro, pound, anything that is trading against the US dollar. It will have some sort of a relief rally, and you have to capitalize on this relief rally to enter the market with a sell position. I think a relief rally will find resistance about 1785, somewhere between 1775 to 1785. I don't see gold trading above 1789 again. at least for now. So 1789 and above could act a good area for a stop loss, which you will have also to trial the stop loss because the target is huge. You are talking about if this collapse continues, you're talking about somewhere between 1660 to 1670. So if you are entering a sell from 1780 to 1660, you're talking about $100 or $120 in profit or a reward. So your risk should be at least $30 to $40, if not even more. At times we will enter a position at 1-to-1 risk to reward. However, that's all for our video for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. And also follow us on our new website, www.goldcoachy.com. You will find some amazing stuff that will help you trade gold market and other markets. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the coming week in another video.